everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. So we have a new update coming out for our app, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video just to explain a little bit about what to expect with this new update. So Dale, Justin, and Patrick, they've all been working so hard to get this newest update out for you. So there was a lot of updates to a lot of the programs that we used to build the app. So there's going to be a lot of like under the hood updates that you probably won't even notice, except you might notice that it is running a little bit faster, little less buggier. It'll increase your confidentiality, all of that. So there's also a few things added to the Garden Plus section. So we've added a few filters and additional sorting. So whenever you have your plants added, you can filter and sort them down to dates to be harvested, as well as by the location that they are planted in. So it should be a little bit easier to find and keep track of your plants in Garden Plus. With this new update, it is going to log you out of Garden Plus, so you will need to log back in. But do not worry if you have forgotten your password. There is a forgot password button down there that you can simply press, and it'll send you an email that you signed up with to reset that password. They all seriously worked like countless hours and countless nights trying to make it so it didn't log you out, but it was not possible. So unfortunately, you will need to log back in, but hopefully it should be a very smooth process, and you shouldn't have any issues. So that's about it for this newest update. It was just a lot of under the hood security features and making things go faster and flow better. But if there is a certain feature or something that you would really like to see in our next update, let us know down below in the comment section, and I will pass that along to Dale. Thank you so much for watching and using our app.